Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. So students, today we will learn about exploring different sizes, which is tall, taller and tallest. Now look at the picture and observe carefully. This rose plant is tall. This apple tree is taller. This date tree is tallest. Now let's have a little activity. Draw a circle for tall, tick for taller, and make a cross for tallest. I hope you will enjoy this activity. Keep growing and keep learning. See you soon.